So I have my flour, milk, sugar, yeast, egg, melted butter, and salt. Here I have my milk. I'll transfer my milk into my bowl and I'll add in the yeast. So I'll mix everything and I'll allow this yeast to activate. So I'll set this aside now. Moving on to the dry ingredients. This is my flour, so I'll sift the flour to remove every impurity and to make the flour very light to use. Next, I'll add in my sugar, salt, and I'll mix everything together. After this, I'll set it aside and I'll move on to the yeast. I'll add in melted butter, egg, and I'll whisk everything. Mix it very well. I'll transfer my wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and I'll mix everything with the help of my spatula. So I'll do this first before I'll go in with my hands. So next I'll be working with my hand now. This bread is a lazy man type of bread, like you are not going to knead it as usual. So we just need to form a dough from it. Just gather it and form a dough with it, and this should take about 10 minutes to do. It's not like the normal one we do for 30 minutes kneading. No, this one is a no knead bread. So I'll be adding my vegetable oil on it and I'll mix everything again to form a dough, so it will not stick to the bowl. That's why I'm adding in vegetable oil. So after doing this, I'll set this aside to double in size and I'll come back to it. So this is after 1 hour. Just doing this to remove the air. Next, I will transfer it onto my platform. Next, I'll sprinkle some flour on the working surface and I'll transfer the dough there. It has to be small flour, okay, so you can still have soft and fluffy bread recipe. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for your share, your like, your comment. I'm not taking it for granted, okay? Thank you very much. So next, I will share this dough into 3 equal parts and I'll be using my scale to help me get 3 equal parts. So you see the dough is still sticky. Don't worry, that will help you have a fluffy bread recipe. So all you need to do, just sprinkle some flour. You see the amount of flour I'm using it. So with the help of my rolling pin, I brought out one of the dough and I'm gonna flatten it and give it the shape I want. You can go ahead to give your bread any shape you want. So this is the shape I'm going for and it's very easy and simple to follow. Just look at what I'm doing and you will get it. And after doing this with the 3 dough, I'll transfer it into my baking pan. All I need to do is I'll butter the baking pan, flour it a bit, and I'll transfer the dough into the baking pan. I'll allow this to double in size again. Next, I'll put 1 egg in the bowl. If you have milk, you can add it at this very point. So I'll mix everything together. So I'm gonna use this and brush on the dough, so that will give it this brown fine look. So that's what I'm doing, and after doing this, you bake it till it is done, and the final look is so amazing. So look at the final look. The bread was so soft. In fact, you can watch and see how soft this bread was. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button. Join this amazing family, and thank you for always stopping by. My join button is on. You can join my membership, and that is one way to help the channel. And I'm not taking your love and your support for granted. Look at how fluffy this bread is. Enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one.